Hi students, my name is Dr. Richard Allington and I'm delighted to be able to welcome you to History 324, the study of the Renaissance and the Reformation. I think this is going to be a fantastic class. I'm really excited that you're here, and I'm really excited that we get to work together. I'm really excited that we get to discuss and examine these topics together. This class, I'm going to go into a little more detail when we meet for the first time on Wednesday. But just to give you a very broad overview, this class, really broken down, is going to examine how human beings have looked and tried to understand their place in the world in a time of great change. I think this is a discussion of timeless significance, but one that is especially relevant in the year 2021. So I'm very excited to explore this question with all of you. In this video, I'm going to give you just kind of an overview of where everything is in the Canvas shell. Most of us are new to using Canvas for courses this semester, so I kind of want to show you where everything is and how to navigate the course online. Of course, we're going to have a lot of in-person components to this class as well, but we're also going to do a lot of work online, and so I want to show you where everything is. So as you can see, I'm in the student view, so everything that I'm seeing you should see as well when you log in. We're going to start on the home page here. You have my information and my office hours. The office hours are there so that there are specific times that are listed, but consider this very flexible as I lay out here. More than willing to work with your schedule and to be flexible in order to work with you and to help you and to support you achieving excellence in this class. So I strongly advise you to take advantage of the opportunity to meet with me frequently, especially if you're a distance learning student. We're not having that regular face-to-face time 3 times a week. Maybe you want to think about scheduling time regularly when we're meeting with one another, either over the phone or over some kind of video conferencing software, in order to discuss your progress in the class so that you can ask questions about anything that's confusing to you. Down at the bottom of the screen here, you'll see the link to the syllabus, but I'm also going to explore that from the left-hand side of the screen up here. So the Syllabus tab, here you'll find the syllabus that you can pull up. That has all the information about assignments, what they are, and when they're due. So I encourage you, next step, once you finish watching this video, is to review the syllabus. After you've reviewed the syllabus, you also want to complete the participation agreement. This is very important because it's only after you've completed the participation agreement that I can notify the university, who in turn I can notify the university that you're participating in this class, and the university can release your financial aid. So very important that you complete the participation agreement next. I'm going to show you where that is. Clicking on the Modules tab here now, this is where the vast majority of the content and the assignments for this course are to be found. So strongly encourage you to be very familiar with the Modules tab. Find the participation agreement right away, easy as it gets, and that's under Class Resources here. And then if you scroll down, you come to each week where I've set aside the assignments that will be due. And so also in each of these weekly modules, I'm going to put the recording from the media site lecture, or at least a link to the lectures that will be available on media site. So that's where you'll find the lecture material as we move through the semester and as I upload those lectures online. I'm going to look at week 2 just because that's going to be a more typical week. This is on Renaissance Italy. Each week you'll have an agenda. There'll be a discussion that everyone, an online discussion that everyone will participate in, whether you're an online student or a face-to-face student. Some of you will have to complete a discussion assignment each week, and each week there'll be a textbook reading. Sometimes there'll be other readings and assignments as well. And so this is just to give you an idea what a typical week is going to look like. To give you an idea of where to find everything that you need for the course. And then if I scroll up here, the only other aspect of the course that I want to draw your attention to at this point is the assignment sign up. I'm going to click into this. You're going to see that as an upper division course, you have that much more freedom in terms of choosing your assignments, but I do want to have the schedule of assignments that you're going to follow laid out as quickly as possible. So there are 4 different assignments, different types of assignments here. You get to choose one movie that we're going to watch in class that you're going to review, one secondary source article of the 4 that we're going to read in this class that you're going to review. Choose 3 sources that we're all going to discuss, but that you're going to explain in a little more detail, and choose one of the topics that are available here for the second paper of this course. And so I'm just going to encourage you to go ahead and make those selections, and the way you show what you selected is that you provide a comment, provided you with a lot of choices for those paper topics, that you reply below here, set out your choices. I encourage you to do that as quickly as possible, just so we can get started on the work of the course. And basic reasons, the number of students that can do each topic is limited, and so if you have a favorite topic that you think is going to be popular, you're going to want to get in there quickly and make sure you've reserved that topic for yourself. I hope this is a helpful introduction to the course. It gives you a sense of where everything is and some of the work that we're going to be doing. I'm going to talk about this in a lot more detail on Wednesday when we meet for the first time. I'm excited for that, but in the meantime, don't hesitate to contact me. Don't hesitate to contact me anytime during the semester. As I say, I'm excited to work with you. I'm really excited for this course. I'm here to help you in any way I can. Thank you.